Hello, in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix PayPal. We are having trouble with this transaction. Now, this is a very common problem, and the thing is, even if you call PayPal, like most people that work for PayPal, they are not aware of this problem. So that's why I'm making this tutorial, because I had the same problem. So, and I'm going to show you how you can fix it. Now, one thing that fixed it for me is to remove the app and install it again. Now, this is not going to work for everyone, but just try to remove the app and install it again, because I was hitting with this error whenever I try to transfer money from debit card. I get this error. So just try to do that. And see if it works. Okay, so another way, to fix this, make sure the address on your PayPal account matches the address on your card. Now, I have seen a lot of people complain about this. It says here, I figured it out first. You cannot add debit card or credit cards to your PayPal account if they have different addresses on them. So the address on your PayPal has to match the address on the cards that you are trying to add. Second, if after you have this issue with the addresses straightened out, you have to log into your PayPal on PC or laptop, not your phone. So just try to use a different device and see if this is a solution you're looking for. Okay, so just try to use a different device. If you're using, for example, iPhone or Android, you can use, for example, laptop or your tablet. Just use a different device. That way you will see if it's related to the cookies on your browser or something, or your phone, or with the Wi-Fi. You can also use the same Wi-Fi you used in the past. Especially this happens especially if you move to another country and you are using a different network. So just try now to like I said, just try to use a different device and see if this is going to work for you. So hopefully this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Let me know like how long you have been having this, and what are the changes you made that made this error appear whenever you try to transfer money. Just let me know. I may give you another solution for this. Make sure drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you in the next tutorial.